So, good afternoon, it's Lindsay McGee from 3P.
Hi, good afternoon, Trevor Norman from 3P.
Today we're going to talk about a personal development plan, a very detailed personal development plan. It includes training, of course. And two of the things that have become really important to high potentials is to have a mentor, someone who they can look up to, who can give them a broader scope, maybe of the subject matter or the business, a mentor who they can go and talk to independently to help them in their career. And it is found ever more now that coaching is a key intervention, a key development need for high potentials. And again, some statistics out there indicating that 300% of your return on investment on coaching, that's what the high potential will bring you. And the higher up the chain of command and the more executive positions, this can be up to 500%. So whatever you're spending on coaching, whether it seems expensive at the time, there is a return on that investment for that high potential. So just to recap on those, a good personal development plan with some details in there of where they're going, when, and what needs to be done. A mentor becomes very important for your high potentials, and to start thinking about the coaching, particularly executive coaching, to give them a broad base of where the knowledge is, where the skill is, but also the behavioural attributes. Because the more we progress up the chain of command in organisations, it becomes more about behaviours than it is about knowledge and skills, and that's where coaching can really help.
Yeah, absolutely. And just to point out as well that there is a difference between coaching and mentoring. Some people sort of often lump them together, but a mentor can be someone who is just there to bounce things off, to learn from their experience, someone who can just give you a helping hand. It doesn't have to be someone who's actually going to take you through that coaching process. So the coaching and mentoring, it is very different, but it can be the same person, but not everyone who's going to be a mentor will have the skills and experience to actually coach you through your own personal development.
That's a good point. But just be aware of the differences there and the need for having a mentor and a coach as well in the organisation. Okay, so we want your business to be talent fit at all times, so you've got business continuity, and we're thinking about the cost of a good hire. You're spending a lot of money bringing the high potential, and you need to make sure that there's a clear path for the career of that good hire, that high potential, and that's a phrase we're coining as career navigation. Clear path, development plan in there, mentoring and coaching.